This is the fifth equation on the equation sheet. Ff less than or equal to mu Fn. Let's go ahead and prove it. We have an experiment here. You have force sensors, you have object, we have the table, and you can decide which one. And the table and the object, they have friction. Let's see what's happening. At first it stayed at rest, then it moved at a constant speed. Let's see the graph. And the first second it stayed at rest, so it must be under balance force. So the friction force must be equal to the force that we provide to make it at rest. So as we increase the force, the static friction force also increases. And a specific force is going to change to kinetic friction and is move at a constant speed. So it must be under balance forces, and our force you provide is equal to the kinetic friction. As you can see, that kinetic friction is less than the maximum static friction of the object. And if you see that the ratio between the Fn with the kinetic friction, they're gonna be the same for the same surface. Reset it, change the mass, start the experiment. You're gonna see that kinetic friction ratio between Fn and kinetic friction, they're the same for the same surface. That's it. And we have this equation